Teresa, for this ring is the sign of my love and fidelity to you forever and ever.
Arnold, accept this ring
as the symbol
as the symbol
of my endless love
of my endless love
and commitment to you.
and my commitment to you forever and ever.
Of course, you really agree forever exists for you, and I think your main reason why, like the other couples out there, that they have one another right now. Ganun din kayong dalawa. Arnold and Teresa, meron kayo ng bawat isa sa mga saglit ng buhay nyo ngayon. That's why you really believe that forever still really exists for the both of you. Kasi yan ang pinakadahilan nilang lahat. Well, ang sabi nga nila, kahit ano daw klaseng ulan, bagyo, kahit virus or pandemya pa yung umabot daw at dumating sa atin, basta nasa tabi natin ang mahal natin sa buhay, well, baka pati tayo maniwala tayong meron ding forever para sa atin. Everyone, we believe forever exists. That is because of love or pag-ibig.
Nang-away tayo. Ngayong araw lang po.
Maria Luz Teresa de la Peña. Actually, alam ko yung sasabihin ko sa'yo in this moment. Pero, I'm now overwhelmed ako and I don't know what to say. But, I'll make sure, Maria Luz Teresa de la Peña Peria, na I will spend my life with you hanggang sa kumulubot yung ating mga balad and hanggang sa matupad natin ang ating mga pangarap and kasama ang ating mga 34 na anak. Joke lang. I will also thank you, Terena, for all the supports that you have given to me. Sobrang appreciated ko yun.
Mahal mo ko. Mahal mo ko.
Ito kay Ate Lay. Kay Ate Love.
Ba, ano to ah?
Thank you lang for your support and sa pagmamahal.
Listen carefully. In life's reality, that forever is just a word and not a place. Hindi naman talaga lugar yun. At wala pang couple na nakakapunta dun sa tinatawag nating forever here. Remember that marriage life, it's like traveling. It's not really about the destination. Hindi na importante kung meron ba talagang forever or wala sa dulo ng pupuntahan ninyong mag-asawa. Because Arnold and Teresa, ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat, magkasama ninyong nilakbay, yung daan ninyong dalawa. Bumagal man o bumilis man yung takbo nito. Basta sabay lang kayo papunta sa inyong magpakailan.
Noy, tinatanong kita kahapon, paano kung umulan? Ang sabi mo lang, ang mahalaga, ikasal tayo.
There is no rhyme or reason why, unless it makes sense the more we try to be closer to
Meron ding mga oras at araw na darating para sa inyong dalawa. Arnold, kapag dumating na yung mga panahon na yon na wala si Teresa sa tabi mo, you must remember your promises for her. Tandaan mo lang lahat ng pangako mo para sa misis mo. And Teresa, hold on to your commitment for him. Panghawakan mo lahat ng magiging pananagutan mo para kay Arnold, kasama yung bubuin yung pamilya bilang ganap na mag-asawa.
Lagi mong binibigay yung positive side ng mundo natin. Napaka-swerte ko sa'yo sa lahat ng bagay. Sabi nga sa Kawikaan 1914, bahay at kayamanan napamana sa magulang. Pero ang mabait na asawa ay galing sa Diyos. Today, I thank God for giving me you. I will cherish you every day. Kagaya nung pangako mo, nung bago pa lang tayo, na aalagaan kita, mamahalin kita, hindi kita papabaya, at hindi kita iiwan.
Lastly, marriage is where each partner is there to support each other in all that they do. Marriage requires closeness and distance, and the closeness of a couple that growing together and enough distance to allow each partner to be an individual, well in such marriage, will be loving, caring, and above all, a best friend. Because the basis for a lasting and strong relationship of a husband and wife is your friendship, at yun yung pagkakaibigan ninyong dalawa.